with a better head. So you can put, it's easier to put force on it, especially when rusty. Hoppa. Oh. Yep. That's one. Second one, so I can hang it. Yep. Yep. Yeah. It's okay. Let's get a good range. I was right. Also be careful with these ones. They have to fit really well, because this is a good one, I think, because look, 13 or 14. Is it? Oh. This one is obvious, but you have 11, you have 12. I don't have a 13, I think. Should be really careful with that one. Yeah. Just this one, tight, and a little extension. Up. Lots. Doorgaan. Niet langer blijven staan. Oh. Just make sure we get it. Come on, find it. Damn it. Aha, there it is. Yep, a bit easier to tighten it with this one. Voila. No, it shouldn't be too tight. Kinnige weer. It's difficult. Oh. Yeah, that's perfect. So now you can see how we do it. Yeah, it should be pressed in with the bolts. It's conical, so I should tighten it every corner like this, up, and continue like that. Yes, that's the third one and the last one. Yep. Oh, there it is. It's going. En we doorgaan. Kunnen hier niet langer blijven staan. weer doorgaan. Ongelooflijke gast. I'll turn it by hand. Ah, fuck it. Let's go by it. We kunnen niet langer blijven staan. Ja, wat dan? Godverdomme. Nou begint het weer. Ja, goed. So now we have to tighten it. And this one you have to tighten to specs, of course. I'll just tighten it and I'll catch you back. I'll catch you back.